The barrel roof gazebo was sold at Walmart. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number SOS-1210BRP. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 12 and is two-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are: shape of the frame is rectangular, square frame posts, barrel-style roof structure, one side of roof is higher than the other. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the barrel roof gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Ripblock 350 and Ripblock 500. Ripblock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.